Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make curly hair at home, only way. Start by washing and towel drying hair until slightly damp, then apply a heat protectant and styling cream. Divide hair into small sections and set a routine order to curl from nape to crown. Use consistent tension and timing per section to get uniform curls. Finish with a cool shot and a light hold spray to lock shape while maintaining bounce and softness. Gather your tools and products before you start to avoid interruptions. Pick a curling wand or iron with the barrel size that matches your desired curl diameter. Use a heat protectant evenly from roots to ends, then a styling product that suits your hair's porosity. Keep clips and a comb handy to section efficiently. A light hold spray and shine serum applied sparingly will help maintain shape without weighing hair down. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated while you style because curls take time and a spill-proof lid keeps products safe. It's insulated and easy to grip. Browse the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start from the back and work outward so you don't repeat sections. Take uniformly sized sections to ensure even curl formation and wrap away from your face for a modern look. Count seconds per section to maintain consistency and adjust time for thicker or finer hair. Let each curl cool fully in your hand before dropping it to preserve the formation. Finger comb gently and finish with a flexible hold spray for movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.